let's understand the matrix. What is matrix multiplication, right? Now, how we perform that particular thing. Okay, so we are going with the operation, right? How understand what is the matrix multiplication and how it is performed. Operation is involve the dot product of the row of the first matrix. Okay, operation that involve the dot product of the row of the first matrix and a column of the second matrix. For a to right, operations involve the dot product of row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix. It means we getting the dot product of the first dot product with the first with the row of the first with the column of the second. Right? This is a simple thing that we perform in a matrix multiplication. And for that, we have a matrix A that is M and N, and is the row of the first, sorry, column of the first and row of the second matrix are the same. We can we perform that matrix multiplication, right? So we go with matrix. Okay, matrix that is the one, two, and three. Similarly, we have a matrix B. Matrix B, uh, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. That is, we have a matrix, right? This is nothing but is a 1 by 3, and similarly, we use also 1 by 3, right? In that case, you see, uh, we can't do that matrix multiplication. We can't do that type of matrix multiplication because there is a similar row and similar columns that we have. So what we do? We simple get the transpose of a matrix A. So this matrix look like 1, 2, and 3 for a 3 by 1 matrix. 3 by 1 matrix. This is the, sorry, my fault. My fault. This is nothing but uh, 3 by 1 matrix, and this is also 3 by 1 matrix, and this is a 1 by 3 matrix that we calculate easily, right? So we get a matrix multiplication. So A multiplied by A transpose multiplied by nothing but 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 4. This is nothing but we get a 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4. So we get the final result is a 2 plus 2 plus sorry 2 plus 6 plus 12 is nothing but 20. This we get a matrix multiplication, right? Okay, similarly we perform the matrix 2 by 2 matrix, right? For 2 by 2 matrix, for 2 by 2 2 by 2 matrix, we have matrix A is 2 by 3 matrix, sorry, 2 by 3 matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Similarly, we have matrix uh, 8, 9, 11. Similarly, 8, 10, and 12. 8, 10, and 12 that we have. matrix. Okay, so this is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix, it means what? 2 by 3 matrix, it means two rows. That's the two rows, and this is three columns. Similarly, this also two rows and three columns. So in that case, we perform the matrix multiplication. No, we want to change this column and this is a row are a same in that particular case. Similarly, we see on a that as well. So what we'll do, we get a transfers of matrix G. So transfers of matrix G is nothing but 7. What is a 7, 9, 11. Similarly, we get 8, 10, and 12. This is a 3 by 2 matrix. Then you will see that row and its column are same on that particular page, right? So we get a matrix multiplication in that particular case. Okay. So we go in the A multiplied by matrix B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? 4, 5, and 6. Similarly, what is the transpose of B is 7, 9, 11, 8, 10, and 12. So when we perform the matrix multiplication, so how things are happening there? In that particular case, we assign a different value, and we get a we assign different value, and okay. So first, okay, let's say we have a matrix. We have matrix, and we got another matrix. This is a C11, C12, C21, and C22. That type of matrix we are getting, right? So understand one by one. This we have a row, okay. This is our row. So what we do, we were multiplying with that a particular column, and we get a C11 value, right? C11 is nothing but 1 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 9, 2 multiplied by 9 plus 3 multiplied by 11, 3 multiplied by 11, right? So, and we get a 7 plus 18 plus 33, mean 8, 58. That we get a first first row in a first column, right? Similarly, we are going with the C12. Uh, C12 is 1 multiplied by 8 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 12 is and finally we get a 8 plus 20 plus 36. Its mean is a 64. 64. And in that case, what we will do? We second row multiply with a for C21, second row multiply with a first column. Okay. Second row multiply with the first column. It means 4 multiplied by 7 plus 5 multiplied with 9 plus 6 multiplied with 11. So we get the answer is a 139, right? And similarly, we want to this particular coin. For that, we are simply second row. second row with the second column. We are going with. Okay. Second row with the second column. It's been 4 multiplied by 8 plus 5 multiplied with 10 plus 6 multiplied with 12. And this we get a 55. I hope you will understand this matrix multiplication concepts, right? Is a first row with the first column, then first row with the second column. Similarly, second row with the first column and second row with the second column. This simple concept of the matrix multiplication is nothing. We'll see in the next particular video. Okay, that's done for today. We will meet in the next video.